Hi, this is a tutorial on how to put your highway lines down. We sell several different kinds. First is the white side lines. Then we have double yellow lines, single passing lane and passing lane, angled parking lot lines, straight parking lot lines, and arrows both left and right. First thing you need to do is put your roadway, paint your roadway onto your layout. 4-inch wide black, either using flat or satin. These lines that we're going to put on are replicated to show the 4-inch lines that you normally find on a highway. Once the paint is dry, we can start putting our lines on. First thing we need to do is mark a center line. You want to put several using a white china marker. Just go down through the center at about 2 inches, marking your road, the 2-inch mark the whole way down through. When you get onto the curves, you want to have them just a little bit closer together than you do on the straights, because we're going to bend our lines around these curves. Once your highway is marked, take your center line, and for this one we're going to use a couple different ones. I'm going to use the passing lane lines first. You want to cut about what you need, maybe a little extra just in case. Peel the back off. And then center your lines on your white china marker lines. As you can see, it doesn't really stick until you press it down. If you do get it stuck, yank it quick and it'll come off. You want to push the line down, either using a squeegee, a fingernail, or just your finger if it's really hard. Then pick the top paper off. Sometimes they don't want to stick very well because the paint's fairly new. Then you pull the clear top paper off and your line is down. Now for going around corners, we're going to do the same thing with our double yellow line because we don't want passing around the corner. Again, peel the back off. We're going to start our lines again in the center of the road, keeping our china marker line in the center. Once you get to the curve, you can very carefully bend these around the corner just how you have to. You can't do a 90-degree corner with these. Of course, you don't have them in real life. But very slowly, bend them as you go. Come around the corner, again, keeping your center line, center of your lines on your white china marker line. If you end up with too much, say I want to end it right there. Just going to take an X-Acto knife, cut the line, pull the rest off. Again, making sure that the line is down securely. Grab the paper on the top, pull the paper off. Okay, just make sure that everything is down. Give it another finger touch to make sure everything is down nice and tight. Next thing you want to do, put your white side lines down. I like to put them right at the edge of the road in the grass. It's a good way if you're not a very skilled painter or maybe something overran a little bit. I put it right on the edge of the road. Again, you can see what you're doing because we've given you clear tape. Start it at the beginning. Press as you go. You get to the corner. Again, we're going to go around the corner. Just bending it slowly until you get the effect you want. Again, once it's down, lift the edge up, or lift the top paper up, I mean. Pull it off, and you have white side lines. The white side lines can also be used for other things. Say, for whatever reason, I want to put a stop sign right here. Clip off what I need, peel the paper, and these are your stop markings that you have for stop lines, stop signs, or for traffic lights. Again, push it down, peel the back off, push it down, peel the clear cover off. You notice I'm using an X-Acto knife to get under there. My fingernails don't work very well. The other thing that you can do, or use these lines for, are crosswalks. Again, same process. Again, if it's too long, take an X-Acto knife, cut it off. And peel your top paper. Please make sure your paint is dry. One thing that'll happen is if your paint's not dry, this tape will pull it up. Last thing we're going to show you is how to put turn arrows in. I've cut one of them off the pack. Just lay it down where you want it. Peel off the top paper, and you're all set. And we have just about perfectly lined road. We're going to put one more side line on the other side, just because we can. Again, peel it, start at the beginning, stick it down where you want it. Just take your finger, your fingernail, rub it hard, go around the corner. If it's not quite right, peel it up a little bit, stick it down where you want it. See there, I missed my line just a little bit from where I wanted it. You can peel it back up and stick it back down. I think that's as far as I'm going to take that line. Peel my top layer off again. I've got a completed highway. Thanks.